I don't know what I have done to you guys to deserve this kind of treatment. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. Make I first greet una, make una no come talk say na because I know they greet una and why una no dey like my content. Abeg, I need review about my videos. Shey una no like my video ne? I be waiting. I want review go. Because I don't know the reason why people no dey even comment on my video at all, except the people wey be say we dey comment on each other posts. Na only them dey comment on my videos. I don't know why people are not commenting on my videos, honestly. Or if you no like the content, just drop comment. I don't like this content, or at least just drop something on a post. No be say we won't use those comments, but they always encourage us. They make us push more harder. They give us hope. Say some people they watch us. I beg, anywhere where you see my video, just comment. I beg, thank you. And if you are interested in learning video editing and creating UK TikTok accounts, I'm available for that. Kindly slide into my DM. See you in my next video and bye.